Welcome to Drive Accident Solutions, one of Australia's leading accident repair facilities. A second generation family business with over 45 years of experience operating out of our purpose-built site right here in the heart of Eagle Farm, centrally positioned between Brisbane CBD and the airport. We employ over 30 highly trained staff so that your experience is seamless from start to finish. We specialise in EVs and large accident repairs. We are at the forefront of technology and well recognised with many manufacturers and work providers alike.
Espresso at Drive is our in-house coffee shop, serving complimentary barista-made coffees to all of our customers daily until midday. Take one with you for the road after you drop off your car, or come and enjoy one in our relaxing reception lounge.
Hey, I'm Cody Anderson, Production Manager at Drive Accident Solutions. We're not just repairing cars, we're leading the future of automotive repairs. At Drive, we repair 85 to 100 cars a week in our state-of-the-art facility. With Glasnow's 100 line, we always ensure a factory finish every time. We're leading the forefront for repairs. We know we're the best, we deliver quality, and we put our customers first.